Hello, welcome back. So today I will be doing another mani using Revel nail. So I already applied some of the colors, specifically this white one, which is Veronica. I applied it on my middle finger. And now let's begin with the glitter. This one that I'm using is Emerald, also from Revel nail. For the dip base, I am using this one from Double Dip. So I am just cleaning the cuticles and sides of my nails and dust off all the excess powder and do my second layer. Since I already like the coverage, I just did 2 dips. I am just going to add some chunky glitters to some areas. Next color is going to be this Notthern Lights 3. I got this one from their stocking stuffer last holiday season, and I am going to ombre it with Notthern Lights 4. So I also got this from the set, and yeah. So now I changed my dip base and I am using Mani Boss since I find their dip base longer time to dry. So it is actually perfect to use when doing ombre since I still have more time to sprinkle the powder before my dip base fully dries. Hopefully that makes sense. So I am now sprinkling the other color, and as you can see, I did not sprinkle it fully to the tip since I am planning to put some glitters from the emerald dip that I used a while ago. So since I started with Notthern Lights 3 a while ago, now I'm going with Notthern Lights 4 so that it is alternate because it looks a lot better when you alternate the color and the ombre looks more smooth. And make sure that you always clean your cuticle area so that it is not flooded with dip powder, and dust off all the excess powders before you apply your dip base again. And this is my third layer already. When doing ombre, you just want to look if you already achieve that nice gradient effect and if the colors are already opaque. If you're already happy with how it looks like, you can already stop there. You don't need to do a lot of layers because it will make your nails look bulky. So for my pinky, I just used the Notthern Lights 4 and did 3 layers. So now I am just going to add some chunky glitters and foils from this emerald dip that I also used with my ring finger a while ago. So this is how it looks like after applying all the colors. I am just going to apply the white dip powder, which is Veronica, on my thumb and clear encapsulate all the colors. After applying clear dip powder, I am now going to activate using Double Dip Activator and do my filing shaping off gum. And this is how it looks like after all the filing and shaping. So now I am going to add decals, of course. You know me, you know how much I love Poshy nail design decals, so I am going to use this Let's Get Shamrocked decal, which is perfect for the upcoming St. Patrick's Day. So right now I am just cutting the designs that I like, and I will be submerging it in the water and apply my gel base. So I remove the rainbow decal first, and I'm just letting it dry and make sure that it is not super wet, and I will be using this Poshy nail stamper to help me apply the decal. And I am just going to take the shamrock leaves and apply it below the rainbow, but I noticed that it is too big, so I am going to remove one leaf and apply the rest of it. So I just gently press the decal on my nail so that it will stick, and then using cuticle pusher I just tuck in the sides. And now I am on my next design for my thumb. I just cut it, and of course apply your gel base first and cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. Okay, so I just did all the same steps, but this time I am applying this Maniology stamping polish. You can use a regular white polish just to paint the backside of this decal, since I will be applying it on my pointer finger, which is color green. So this white polish is what's going to make the decal more vibrant looking, even with a darker background or nail color. So I am just stamping it on my nail, and here it is. It is super cute. I really like it. So far, this is how it looks like, but of course I don't want my pinky to get left behind, so I am going to add another decal and do all the same steps. So finally, I am happy with how it looks like. I am just going to top coat everything using Triple D's gel top coat. So I just cure it in the lamp for 1 minute or 60 seconds, and you can actually add another layer of gel top coat, but for me it is okay already. So now I am going to apply Scales of a Mermaid Cuticle Oil in the scent Hug in a Mug. And here is the final look. I am really loving how it turned out. I am actually not expecting it to look this nice, but I am so happy. So if you also want to purchase these colors and decals that I use, I will be putting all the details in the description box. So thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you again on my next videos. Bye for now.